In this video, I will show you how to get the decimal part of a number in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have some numbers. Now what I want to do is to extract the decimal part from these numbers. For example, for this number, I want to extract the decimal part from the number that is 0.34. To do that, I am going to use the Excel trunc function. Trunc is a short form of truncate, and as the name suggests, it truncates a number to an integer by removing the fractional part. Let's begin the formula by typing an equal sign in the target cell. Type trunc and then an opening bracket. Select the cell containing the number. Type a closing bracket and then hit the enter key to complete the formula. As you can see, the formula has truncated the decimal part and returned the integer part of the number. But we wanted the decimal part, not the integer part of the number. To get the decimal part, I am going to subtract the integer part from the original number. So we will get the decimal part from it. For example, if we subtract 1 from 1.2, we will get the decimal part that is 0.2. So let's edit the formula to do that. As you can see, we now have extracted the decimal part from the number. If any number is a whole integer, we will get 0 as the decimal part. Watch this video to learn how to use the Excel count function. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.